In this video, I will show you how to upload new Crystal reports or modified Crystal reports into Acctivate. To do this, we need to first find the file location to add a report. The easiest way is to do Help, Acctivate Support, Email, Log File, Open Folder. This takes you to the location that Acctivate stores all of its information. From here, you can go back to Acctivate Data, Custom Reports. This is the folder that you want to add all of your custom reports to, both modified and new reports. So let's add that report. In this example, I'm going to be uploading a brand new report, OpenPO Monthly. Now this is a .rpt file. This is the standard report file for Crystal reports. Sometimes you'll receive a .acct rpt file. And the difference is one is a standard report file, the .rpt, for Crystal report, and the other one is the report file with some settings added to it that we will set up for you and then export for Acctivate. So from there, we need to insert the report into Acctivate. To do this, we go to File, Configuration Manager, Reports, Report Catalog. Now there's a few different scenarios you can have for a report. One of them is a report that has already been customized that we are editing. In this case, you simply need to take note of the report location, which is in this custom report, and this up here is the file location, in which case you can copy to store later if needed. If this report is custom, with new modifications, you simply need to upload it into this custom report folder and allow it to override the existing file. And then you would be done. However, if the report is a standard report, you will still need to add it to the custom reports folder, and then you can change the location in Acctivate. So for instance, if I wanted to change the purchase order, I could open up Purchasing, Forms, Purchase Order. In edit mode, I could change the location by opening up the File Explorer location and either navigating to the folder from over here or pasting the location up here. Now in this case, it was already in the right location. All I need to do is open it. As you see here, it now says Custom Report, and that's how you know it's no longer a standard report. I'm going to go ahead and undo this, and now I will show you how to insert a new report into Acctivate. Now, as I said earlier, if it is a report that's .acct rpt file, you simply need to click the file location folder. In this case, it's going to be Purchasing. And then you want to, in edit mode, click this Import Report. And that's how you insert this .acct rpt file you see right here. The next scenario is how to insert a report that's a .rpt file that's brand new. In the case that it's a .acct rpt file, all you need to do is import the file and push Save. If it's a .rpt file, there's just a few extra steps needed. First, you need to click the folder. From here, I will open the Open Purchase Orders folder, and I will add the report with the Add Report button. In this blank field, you'll want to add the report description, which is the way it will be read within Acctivate. So for this report, I'm going to call it Open Purchase Orders by month. And I'm going to click out of that field. As you see here, it's called Open Purchase Order by month. Now I need to add the report ID, and I like to add the same ID as the report file name. All that's left to do is import the file itself by going back to that Custom Reports folder and selecting Open. As you can see here, Custom Report is noted, and that's important because that means we selected it from the Custom Reports folder, which is where we need it to be. Once a report is in here, you have a few other things you can modify, such as permissions group, and this is where it's classified as. So if you were to go to reports, which folder is it considered? and document type. And this is what document you want it to come in. So if I wanted this to open up on my purchase order window, I would just need to go to purchase order and save. And then from there, if I were to open up a purchase order, I could select the print icon and then select the open purchase order by monthly. And I can show you that in just a second. So the next thing to add is a note. And this is optional. The note is just to describe what that report is. From there, save, and then you can open up your report in your purchase order window. Then I can go to print, open purchase order by monthly, and I see my report. I can also have it set up so that it shows up under the report's location by modifying the group back in Configuration Manager. And so from here, I'm going to remove it from the purchase order window, and I'm going to add it to my purchasing. As you can see here, here is my note that I added, which I can also still edit from here. Then I can preview. And that is how you import a new report or a customized report into Acctivate.